Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Popular Direct Bank and whether or not they use Zelle. But before we get into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Zelle is and why it's important. Zelle is a free app that allows you to send and receive money from friends, family, and businesses. It's a great way to pay for things like dinner, rent, or gifts. And it's especially useful if you're trying to avoid fees. So, does Popular Direct Bank use Zelle? The answer is yes. In fact, Popular Direct Bank is one of the many banks that support Zelle. This means that you can easily send and receive money to and from your Popular Direct Bank account using the Zelle app. If you're a Popular Direct Bank customer and you're interested in using Zelle, here's how to get started. Download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up for Zelle using your Popular Direct Bank account information. Start sending and receiving money. Using Zelle is a great way to make your life easier. It's fast, convenient, and secure. So if you're a Popular Direct Bank customer, I highly recommend giving Zelle a try. And that's all I have for you today. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on banking and finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.